What's going, guys? Welcome back. This is your host, your only Guyver. Welcome to Tech Cool Video. Now that intro is a little bit different because after like 25 takes on this specific episode, I realized that I've been using the word video in one sentence far too often. So yeah. Anyway, just a disclaimer, if you are experiencing any video or audio quality problem, so I just got back from the editing then, so apparently this microphone sucks, or I just don't know how to use it. Maybe I need to buy another one, you know, the box thingy where you put the other stuff to make it stereo and make it sound better. But anyway, we're using the old one, so let's proceed to the question of the day. Does expensive lavalier microphone actually makes a difference? Now, when I said expensive lavalier microphones, it means that the price ranges from $5 up to $100, or even sky's the limit. And those microphones look like this. These are the ones that you probably get free from buying the wireless one, like the Andoer HS-60. What we have here right now in my hand is the Maono Lavalier microphone. We're going to be testing this together with the Andoer HS-60. Now, the results will vary depending on the brand that you currently have or you plan to buy. But the main purpose of this video is to give you all the information that you need and to answer the question, does buying an expensive one actually makes your audio quality better? Is that right? Well, you do know what I mean. Now, before we proceed make sure that you are subscribed to this video and you have punched the notification bell icon as many times as possible because I'm irritated that this doesn't work. Just kidding. I love you. So yeah, after you've done that, please continue watching and let's proceed to the actual result. Now, the audio quality that you are hearing is coming from the generic lavalier microphone attached to the Andoer HS-60. So this is the lavalier microphone that came with this wireless lavalier one. So this is the $1 or $2 that you can buy in Amazon, Lazada, or Shopee. So mic test 1, 2, 3. Now, this audio quality is coming from the Maono Lavalier microphone. Now, the settings are still the same, still attached to Andoer HS-60, and there's a little bit of wind blowing towards me because I'm using a fan. Now, this is the sound quality that you're getting. Mic check 1, 2, 3. Now, upon hearing both the generic one and the Maono, I would honestly say that there isn't much of a difference, but the Maono lavalier microphone is a little bit clearer than the generic one. Now, this will be based on your preference because sometimes we want those low bass and hollow sounding kind of voice or audio than the actually clear and, you know, close to lifelike sounding, but it's really up to you. But for me, I think yes, an expensive lavalier microphone does make a difference in a little bit of way, or just tiny way, bit, whatever, you know what I mean. Gosh, this video is full of... Anyway, I hope you guys gain some information by watching this video, and if you do, you know what to do. Press the thumbs up button and not the thumbs down. Although we don't have the counter anymore, but yeah. So once again, this is me, your host, Guyver, signing out and trying to figure out what to do with this. Bye-bye. Love you all.